Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome to Cook and Share. I love pizza, but I love traditional pizza, but I decided to do a twist to it. And I did bagel pizzas, 4 different types. I did a 3 cheese, a classic, a Greek, and a Hawaiian. All equally delicious. They're super simple to put together. You can do them in no time, and there's no dough involved. You gotta try these. I'll walk you through it, so let's get started. So first off here, what I got are a couple of bagels, and I'm using cheese bagels. You can use a bagel of your choice. And I'm going to go ahead and cut these in half. So first up, with our classic pizza bagel, I'm just going to add some pizza sauce. And you can buy this in just about any grocery store. And you can use tomato sauce, marinara sauce, or even your homemade pizza sauce, which we have a recipe for. Followed by everybody's all-time favorite for pizzas, mozzarella, some pepperoni, of course, and a pizza wouldn't be a pizza without pepperoni. Isn't this looking so cute? Green bell peppers, and last but not least, one of my favorite toppings for a pizza is some basil. Next up, another one of my favorites is a 3 cheese, so I'm going to begin, of course, with pizza sauce. And I like to put lots on because I love pizza sauce. Of course, some mozzarella. Second cheese is the cheddar. And I'm using an old cheddar here. I just love old cheddar. And it's a sharp old cheddar. And lastly, some Parmesan. This is going to be so good. And for my third bagel pizza, I'm going to do a Hawaiian. And of course, without saying, you got to put that pizza sauce on. Of course, mozzarella again. Ham that I've circled up. And it couldn't ever be Hawaiian without pineapple. This is going to be so good. For the last bagel pizza is Greek. And of course, without mentioning, we start off with our pizza sauce. More mozzarella. And guys, one of my all-time favorite cheeses, some feta. I just love this cheese. Some black olives. I'm just going to put maybe 4 on here. A few tomatoes. And these are just cherry tomatoes that I've kind of sliced up. And a sprinkle of basil. So guys, these are our 4 kinds of bagel pizzas. So I'm just going to put my pizza bagels onto a tray. And we're going to toast these for about 10 minutes or so. After about 10 minutes, just look at this. Our incredible bagel pizzas. The cheese is melted. They've got a crust to them. Oh my goodness, they're going to be so good. Okay, let's go ahead and give these a taste test and see which one I like the most. And I'm going to start with my Hawaiian. I've got to get that pineapple in there. This is so good. The pineapple, the ham, the cheese, like being on a tropical island. Next up, the classic. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste. This is so good. The cheese, the pepperoni, the bell peppers, absolutely delightful. I love it. Okay, let's move on to the third pizza bagel, the three cheeses. Give this a taste. Look at that ooey gooey goodness of the cheeses. This is equally as good. That beautiful combination of the three cheeses is simply delightful. Now we're going to try the Greek. Oh, this looks so good. This is good too. The saltiness, the feta, the tomato, the acidity, absolutely incredible. So Coco and I can't decide which one's our favorite. We love them all, but you decide to make them all. Drop us a comment below. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.